The next student is Abdurrahman, whose topic is the plight of Palestine.
The plight of Palestine means the destruction of entire humanity. Respected judges, honorable teachers and dear audience, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today I stand before you with a heavy heart to address the topic that resonates with the conscience of humanity. The struggle of Palestine is not merely a story of single land or a single people. It is the story of humanity itself. The suffering of innocent men, women and children in Palestine is a testament to the failure of global justice, the silence of powerful nations and the neglect of human dignity. The continued bombardments, blockades and atrocities committed in Palestine are not just attacks on people, but an assault on every principles of humanity, equality and freedom. Respected audience, the plight of Palestine is a stark reminder that injustice anywhere is a true justice everywhere. When innocent lives are lost, homes are destroyed, and children grow up under the shadow of fear and oppression, it is not just Palestine that suffers. The moral fabric of the entire world is torn apart. The Quran reminds us, whoever kills an innocent soul, it is as if he has killed all of humanity. The destruction in Palestine is not confined to its border. It is a wound that bleeds in every heart of human being who values the peace and justice. The world cannot claim to stand for peace and justice while turning a blind eye to the suffering of Palestinians. Their struggle is not just their own. It is a fight for right for all oppressed people, a fight for justice and a fight for freedom. Dear audience, let us remember that the plight of Palestine is a mirror reflecting the state of our collective humanity. The destruction of Palestine means the destruction of values, compassion and the hope for a better world. It is our duty to stand with Palestine, to raise our voices against the oppression and to work towards a future where peace and justice prevail. Thank you.